Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching this video right now. Welcome to this channel, Happy Life. If this is the first time you came across this video or you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and share the video with your friend. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell in order to get notified when I uploaded a new video like this. Today, I want to talk about the spiritual benefit of bathing with scent leaf water. Let me go straight to the point. Number one, it keeps evil people far from you. When you regularly bathe with scent leaf water, the spiritual power of this scent leaf, which is now contained in your bathing water, diffuses into your skin and body. Now, even in your home or outside, evil people or people with bad intention will always keep their distance from you. Number two, it cancels out the spell and the curses of evil people. When someone places a curse on you or a spell, if you bathe with scent leaf water, the spell or curse of a jealous person would be broken. When you observe a delay or stagnation in your life, try as quickly as you can to bathe with scent leaf water. Number three, scent leaf water heals you of any spiritual injury or attack from a person who does not mean any good for you. If you notice any pain or hot sensation on any part of your body and you are sure you did not scratch your body anywhere, you should consider a scent leaf bath immediately. Do not wait until things get out of hand. Prevention is better than cure. Number four, you become spiritually unavailable for destruction. When a person tries to attack you, they will quickly find out that you are no-going area. This is because of your scent leaf bath. They will seek you but will not find you. This makes it impossible for them to harm or hurt you spiritually. What you need to do is get enough scent leaf and boil it with the amount of water you can use to bath. Boil it till you see that the water has changed. Then use it to bath when it cools down. You can use soap to bath or use it to rinse your body. Let your body dry naturally. Try to do this once in a month at least. Then speak into your life while taking this bath. Yes, it should be a form of prayer to God Almighty who is protecting himself. Whoever secured by God has guarantees safety forever. So while taking your bath, open your mouth and pray, telling God what you want from him. God is too faithful to fail and will never fail you. Amen. Thank you for watching this video. Once again, if you are new here, consider to subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and share with your friend. Don't forget to on the notification bell in order to get notified when I upload new video like this. Thank you so much. God bless you.